Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, guys and girls? And in today's video, I'm going to be speaking about Thursday. And Thursday is a day of expansion. It's a day of broadening your horizons. It's a day of traveling. It's a day of education. It's a day of spiritual exploration. And on Thursdays, I try to ground some of the thoughts I had from the start of the week, because you have to think of it, right? Monday is the moon. So I'll take a day of rest and plan out my week. Tuesday is the day of Mars. So I would push on these attentions. Wednesday is the day of Mercury, Tehuti, Hermes. So I use this day to learn. And Thursday is a day I try to do something new or bring out something new. And if you're somebody who's very conscious, you would know that a lot of artists drop music on a Thursday night. I believe they're using the energy of Jupiter. And Fridays also, which is the day of Venus, but I'll be doing a separate video of that. So, what can you do to connect with the energies of Jupiter? Jupiter is also known as Zeus in Greek mythology, and this is where we get the word Jesus. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. And it's known as the planet of expansion. We had a conjunction last year on the 21st of December with Saturn and Jupiter. And a lot of the Saturnian energy was now coming to a halt, and the big boy Jupiter is back. And you gotta understand that this video is about how to use Jupiter, but I'm just gonna give a little backstory on this so you can be a bit clued up if you are not familiar. So when the conjunction happened on the 21st, you have to think of it as there's one big planet, which is Saturn, and there's another big planet called Jupiter. And these two planets are warring against each other. This is where we get the film called Star Wars. So people that are still caught up in the Saturnian energy, which is about structure, restriction, control, they have come into 2021 still under these obligations. And the people that woke up are now expanding their horizons. And I believe Jupiter is in Pisces right now. And this is harmonious because, Jupiter is in Pisces right now. Just quickly checked. And this is harmonious because Pisces is ruled by Jupiter when we talk about the 7 planets. And it's also ruled by Neptune, which is an outer planet. And this is more to do with your dreams, intuition. So Jupiter and Pisces is harmonious. So Pisces, the energy of Pisces is about belief. It's about spiritual belief. It's about believing in the unseen, the things you cannot see with your eyes, having faith, and then transmuting this to an actual manifestation in this reality, in this 3D reality. So this is a great day to focus on your dreams. It's a great day to release music. It's a great day to publish a book. It's a great day to do something new. It's a great day to be positive and be grateful at the same time. So Jupiter is a lucky planet, and we see ZEUS. This is known as that Z, that lightning strike. It's symbolic for 0 point energy, which is inside of you. So this is a great day to meditate. This is a great day to explore something, do something spiritual that you've never done before. That could be reading by a tree. That could be doing new yoga poses. This could be thinking outside the box, ultimately. Be creative. When it comes to thinking outside the box, you need to let your imagination wander. Think of something outside the box. Keep a notepad with you. If you don't want to use the notepad, bring out your phone, use Apple Notes, and actually take action. And when it comes to traveling, and I know we're traveling right now, not everyone can go to certain places because of the current situation on the planet right now, but you can find somewhere local, a park. You can even do something weird like take a different route home, because it opens new neurological pathways in your brain. Because it's like when you play GTA 5 and you go to a new area and it's rendering and it's trying to show you this new area, you've never seen it before, and then you now have a new map unlocked, and then on the new map unlocked you start to see hidden gems. Well, that's how it is with your brain. You've now unlocked some new pathway inside of you and outside of you. Okay? So like I said, let your imagination wander. Pisces is known for imagination, creativity, dreams, illusions, and Jupiter is the manifestation of that. And Jupiter is known for wealth. It's known for male fertility. Like I said, 0 point energy. And a lot of your 0 points, like I said, patella. Patella is your panned, horned energy. So that 0 point is there to see. It's known as the planet of luck. It's known as the planet of happiness. Also known as the order of Melchizedek. Monotheistic religions work with Jupiter being the Almighty God. Like I said, Jesus. And, if you do any more research, you'll find out information for yourself on other religions. But I'm just giving, some foresight on here. I always urge people actually to do their own research also and check on what I say. Also, it's known as the planet of family, harmony, harvesting, and the crystal to use is turquoise and amethyst if you want to tap in through the feminine side of things. The number of Jupiter is 4, and that makes sense because it's the 4th day of the week. It's also known as the day of praying, like I said, Pisces energy. It's the day of making charities, giving money away to right causes. Sagittarius is also ruled by Jupiter. And people that are Sagittarians love to travel, they love to explore. So they're ruled by good luck. It's the day of purchases, investments, and important meetings. So overall, Jupiter is a positive planet. So tap in with this energy, be creative as always, draw and connect, do anything that relates to Jupiter. Because I feel like with this spiritual thing, and the way I push it is that this is free energy. This is free energy to harmonize you, because everything I'm talking about is from the fourth dimension. The third dimension, the 3D, that is what we see with our eyes. The fourth dimension is what we feel inside and internalize. Then the fifth dimension is the connection with it all. And when you connect with it, you now create this light body where you look from top down. And when you work from the 5D, you see subtle connections that connect you with the energies of whatever you're working with. And today, I woke up around 4 a.m. and I went outside to pray. And I saw a big ass planet in the sky. And I thought it was Venus. But I was like, well, why is it west? Why is it west right now? Because Venus is the morning star and it comes from the east and then it sets in the west. I was a bit confused by that. So I went to go get my phone and I used this app called, I think it's called Skyview Light. And it told me it was Jupiter, and I've never seen Jupiter in the morning. So, and I was going to do a video today anyway on Jupiter. So that's the subtle connection, is when you work with the 5D and you look top down, you learn that everything is based on symbolism and signs, subtle signs. This is how God speaks to you. People always want to get immediate answers from God. When you open that third eye and that pineal gland is activated, you see the subtle signs through this way of thinking, and this is what we call the fourth dimension. Okay? The third dimension is based on tangible things and things that we can see concrete. But in order to bridge that gap, you need to see the signs and synchronicities to then manifest the real exploration of Jupiter. And with that being said, peace.